Trish. They gotta do something new.
I just pulled out the video camera.
Oh, okay.
Are you all done now?
Yeah, because I pulled out the video camera.
He says, I got a 6th sense. Gotta do something else, Grandpa. Come on, Papa. Ooh, there you go.
Boo. 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 Boo.
I was laughing with him earlier, Patrick, and he was laughing back. So I would fake laugh with him, see if he'll laugh back.
Ouch, my finger, my finger, my finger, ouch, the horror, ouch, ouch.
He's watching TV.
Yeah, he is.
He says, you're boring me, Grandpa. There we go.
Boo. Boo. Boo.
I can't wait till he
Making
walks.
you that's hard work.
Boo. Boo.